Hey guys, it's Megatron1717 here, and today's video is going to be about the Rare Item Monday for July 2nd, 2018. And I have a daily spin, so I'm going to do that first. Okay, so as you can see, I just logged on, so I'm going to try and find it. Hopefully it's here. Sometimes it just won't let me in, so I have to use the arrow keys. Well, it's not in Jama Clothing. So let's check in Core Canyons. I can tell right now is probably not here. Yeah. Alright, let's go check in Mount Shiver. And a hot cocoa hat. I can't find it anywhere. Oh my gosh, where is it at? I guess we can check in the diamond shop just in case. Cause I cannot find it. Hailstorm! Oh, I would love that. Because we have to go on Bahari Bay now. Oh hey, I found it! Found it. Okay, so here's your Rare Monday. After like a lot of tries, I finally found it. It's a rare Lionfish Armor. It's $8.25. So I found it, and it's in Bahari Bargains in Bahari Bay. So thank you guys so much for watching this. And I know it's for members, but if you're not a member, I can't tell you what. So hope you guys can get this. Hope you guys like love it and stuff. So yeah, Rare Monday for July 2nd. See you guys. Woo. Peace out.